So what we wanna do is when we go to Parler directly, it kind of just keeps loading and loading and loading. So we'll just go direct to the download page. Link will be in the description below. It's company.parler.com/android. After that, you want to make sure you select the Android version you're using. Either on at this point you can use the desktop or mobile to download the APK. So basically what we'll do is I'll select 10 and 11 since that's what I'm using. Then I'll go on download. Yeah, so if you're using the PC, just connect your phone and send the APK to your storage. On your phone it will be in the download location, and then make sure if you have older versions of Parler and install them. Then go to your settings. If you're using an older version of Android, should be security and enable install from unknown sources. That's what you have to do. If you're using higher versions of Android, it will only prompt you to install from an unknown source when you're installing the APK. So yeah, that's what you do. Then after that, if your play protect is not turned on, there are steps on the website on parler.com on how you can turn on your play protect. In this case, for me, I turn it on from the Play Store. So yeah, that's what you do. Then once that is done, you can now go to where you sent your APK file or your download location and install it. Once you have installed it, you should be done and you should be able to access it on your Droid device. As you can see, I can access it. Yeah, enjoy free speech, guys. Peace out. That's how you do it, guys.